carrot kheer. Three grated carrots. 1.5 liters of milk. 1 cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. Half teaspoon of elaichi powder. Few sliced pistachios and almonds. 1 teaspoon of soaked rice for half an hour. Take pressure cooker and add milk. Let it boil. Stir in between. Break soaked rice and add in boiling milk. Add grated carrot. Give a mix. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. Close lid and cook on to whistles. Turn off flame and remove lid. Carrot is cooked well. Transfer kheer in a pan. Cook on medium flame. Give a nice mix. Add sugar. Mix till sugar dissolves. Add elaichi powder. Condensed milk. Cook until creamy texture. Add dry fruits. Rich and delicious carrot kheer is done. Tasty and delicious carrot kheer is ready to serve. Enjoy this instant and tasty carrot kheer. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Explore and Cook.